Use the Quick Access toolbar to manage creation, opening, saving and the printing of documents. Customize the Quick Access toolbar. Minimize the multifunction toolbar. Use the multifunction toolbar options to draw, change the document's general settings, arrange the program windows and access the various online services. You have a dynamic help feature. Access the toolboxes with specific features. Use the project navigator to open the different project documents and views. Resize the windows appropriately to view extra windows. Access other document content and launch the integration features with other software solutions.